First impressions are crucial when it comes to building relationships. It's not just about work, but also when you're trying to attract any girl or joining a new community. Why is the first impression important? Because it can impact your reputation and the future of your relationship. It's not just about looks. There are key things you should know about making a good first impression on others. After all, what's the point of looking good if your attitude isn't pleasant toward others, right? According to research, a person's memory of a first impression can influence their actions in the future. A first impression can stick for months. For example, if your behavior during the first meeting isn't pleasant, your conversational partner or others who meet you for the first time will always remember your shortcomings. It's that simple. That's why several factors can help make your first impression positively memorable to others. For instance, having a neat appearance, a pleasant body scent, well-chosen clothes, hairstyle, body language, and communication style. So, how do you make a good first impression? Let's go through some tips. 1. Smile. Facial expression is crucial when you first meet someone. A smile can give the impression that you're friendly, kind, and not arrogant. Always remember to give a genuine smile to others. Smiling not only relaxes you and reduces tension, but also makes others feel comfortable. But remember, don't overdo it. Otherwise, people might become suspicious. 2. Proper handshake. This gesture is essential for creating a good first impression. A handshake accompanied by a smile shows good manners. However, there are a few things to keep in mind when shaking hands with someone. First, make sure you don't grip too tightly, which could make the other person uncomfortable. Second, avoid giving a weak or limp handshake as it might leave a negative impression. 3. Pay attention to body language. Another way to make a good first impression is by paying attention to your own body language. When meeting someone new, people often focus on what they say but forget about body language. Body language to pay attention to includes gestures, posture, and facial expressions. For example, avoid crossing your arms during a conversation as it can make you appear arrogant or know-it-all. 4. Be enthusiastic. How can you make a good first impression if you're not enthusiastic during a conversation? Especially if you make judgmental comments. It's a big no. Make sure you always show enthusiasm when talking to others. For example, no girl wants to have a long conversation with a guy who seems uninterested, right? Having a good attitude will make many people like you. 5. Keep eye contact. Make eye contact whenever you're talking to someone. It's another way to make a good first impression and show your interest in the conversation. But again, don't overdo it and make others uncomfortable. 6. Dress comfortably and neatly. How you dress reflects your character, interests, and hobbies. So, don't wear the wrong outfit when meeting someone for the first time. Also, consider the situation and who you're meeting. For instance, if you're meeting a senior boss at the office for the first time, choose a slightly formal outfit. Or, if you want your first date with a crush to be successful, wear something that gives a serious yet relaxed impression. Even if your face is ordinary, you'll look cooler if your dressing style is neat and appealing. 7. Wear perfume. You've got a neat and cool outfit, but it's incomplete without a good fragrance. Again, it's pointless to have good looks if you smell bad and disgust people around you. Therefore, another way to make a good first impression is by grabbing attention with a nice perfume. Those are some ways to make a good first impression, making girls eager to get to know you better and stick around.